I'm Annie Duke. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the last and most important piece of the puzzle when it comes to playing a tournament, your psyche. If you're really serious about improving your tournament game, and we assume you are if you're watching this, then you need to understand that understanding strategy alone isn't enough to help you take your game to the next level. The fact is, the best players in the world got to where they are today because they all have the same goal, to win. Why is this so important? Well, for a couple of reasons. First, when you play to win, your focus is sharper and your motivation is stronger. And the more engaged you are in the game, the better you're likely to play. And the better you play, the more money you're likely to earn, especially when you consider that even events with fairly flat pay scales are still very heavily top weighted. For example, an online event with 550 players may only pay 20% to the winner. While that doesn't seem like a lot, consider the bottom rungs of the pay ladder are only getting about 0.5% of the prize pool, which means it would take 40 minimum cashes for you to earn the same money as you would if you had won. Now, since the money at the top of the prize ladder is exponentially greater than the money at the bottom, this means you need to be willing to take some risks and occasionally even go broke in order to give yourself the best chance to win. This is especially true at the money bubble and at that final table bubble where your opponents are tightening up their games in order to cash or reach the final stage of the tournament. Remember, your overall goal is to end up with all of the chips when the last hand is dealt. That means you're going to have to be aggressive and loosen up your game when they tighten up theirs.